How to create a new Tumblr account. First of all, open the Tumblr app and wait for the welcome screen to appear. You will see two main options, continue with Google and continue with email. To sign up using your Google account, simply tap continue with Google. Choose your account from the list and follow the on-screen instructions. This method is quick and doesn't require entering your email or password manually. If you prefer to use your email, tap on continue with email. Start by entering a valid email address and your birth date. Then tap next to continue. After that, you will be asked to choose a username. Pick something unique that represents you. Don't worry, you can always change it later if needed. Next, create a strong password and re-enter it to confirm. Once both fields are filled in, tap next to move forward. Now Tumblr will show you a variety of topics and categories. Select a few that match your interest or skip this step if you would rather customize your feed later. After completing all these steps, Tumblr will set up your dashboard and your brand new account will be ready to use. You can now start browsing posts, following blogs, and creating your own content. Now you know how to create a new Tumblr account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.